Hey everybody, Jody from Torco Storage Fuels again. We're out here kind of showing you a little bit of our newest fuel we got out. It's our storage fuel. It's a 100% unleaded fuel. It's a 94 octane. The shelf life of it is really good in vehicles that sit around. Depending on the application, the vehicle, if it's a vented tank or a sealed system, it kind of varies, but it's 6 months to a year it'll last in the tank without any issues. Won't have the gumming of injectors. If it's a carbureted application, the carburetor won't gum up on you, that kind of thing. So it's a really good option for you guys that have cars you don't get to drive on a daily basis, that maybe sit for a month or two. The fuel is also good when you store the vehicle, whether it's summertime, wintertime, anytime it sits and store it. It works great for those applications. Once you're done storing it, you can get in the vehicle, fire it right up without any issues. It's a great option for us. It doesn't plug things up and keeps you out of the shop and out on the streets. You can find us online, torco.com. We have a dealer locator on there. You can find your local dealer that can get you taken care of.